All right, folks, we told you that the Fed meeting starts today. We're going to get the results of the Fed meeting here tomorrow. This tweet comes from Walter Bloomberg. The markets bet the Fed will hike again. Investor expectations for a Fed rate hike are, in fact, rising. Bank of America's June fund manager survey shows 40% expect at least one hike in the next 12 months, and that was up from 16% in May. Rate cut hopes fell sharply, with only 28% expecting cuts versus 50% last month. That's almost cut in half. Prediction markets also show growing odds of a Fed hike before 2027. We talked on a happy hour yesterday that a lot of the Fed watchers don't expect hikes until possibly don't expect cuts until possibly 2028. Now, markets betting that the Fed will hike again. We're going to get a little bit more commentary on this tomorrow. We should be able to make an educated guess on what we think is going to happen next. Tomorrow is going to be important, and more than the decision, it's going to be how Warsh handles all of the questions, what he says in that, his tone, all of that stuff is going to be really important. The reason I'm bringing this to you is because if the market starts to price in rate hikes, what do you think happens to it? Do you think we come in? Do you think we come in substantially? And then perhaps most importantly, if we do in fact come in, is that a buying opportunity? Folks will have to let me know what you think on the interest rate hike side.